Hello, this is gonna be a very quick video to show you how I record myself while I am screen recording. The software that I am using is OBS, which is open source and free. And I'm gonna do it very simple. So the only thing that you need is to look at this window. Now I already have here my input for audio, my display capture, that will be the screen recording, and my webcam, but I will just show you how to add them. So first of all, we are gonna include the display capture. I will include it just a second time. You just click OK, and you select here your screen. And this is all. Now, for whatever reason, it starts being really big. So I need to make it smaller so it fits in the screen. Probably there is a solution, but I don't want to dive so much into it. And boom, here I have my screen recording and I can put it exactly where I want. And for the webcam, we are gonna be doing the same. There is a lot that you can include, okay? But I haven't really investigated. I just do the minimum that I have to do and that's it. So here we are gonna select video capture device. Let me click here. Here it is asking you to give it a name, because then once you close the software and open it again, you will always have this, this setup included here. So it will be here all the time and you can give it any name in case it is more useful for you to know what you are talking about. In my case, I don't care. And okay, now I can choose what camera I want to use. I will use this one, for example, just so it is a bit different. Okay. I will make it smaller and I will put it wherever I want. For example, here. And this is honestly everything that you need to know. There is no more to it. Or well, probably this software has a lot of options and a lot of things that you can do, but as an artist, I don't really need anything else. This part, and then the start recording or stop recording, and this is everything. So yeah, this was all. If you have any questions or I can help you with anything, let me know, and have a good day. Bye bye.